Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to untrack Google Flights if you've been getting price alerts you no longer need or you simply want to tidy up your saved searches. Before we get started, it's worth noting that flight tracking tools are incredibly useful for monitoring price changes, but over time, they can clutter your inbox and become overwhelming. Managing these alerts properly helps you stay organized, reduce unnecessary notifications, and focus only on the trips that actually matter to you. Start by opening Google Flights in your preferred web browser. You can do this on desktop or mobile. The layout is very similar, so you should have no trouble following along. Give the page a moment to load so all the options appear properly. Next, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're signed in, look to the upper left corner of the screen for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click or tap that to open the navigation panel. In the panel that appears, choose Tracked Flight Prices. This takes you to a dedicated page where Google lists the routes and dates you've been monitoring. Think of this as your central hub for managing all flight alerts in one place. On this page, you'll see an option for email notifications. Toggle this off to stop receiving price alerts in your inbox. This is a quick way to silence notifications across your tracked items. Repeat this for any other flights you no longer want to monitor. Once you're done, your tracked list will only include the trips you still care about, or it may be empty if you've removed everything. You can always come back later to retrack flights or turn notifications back on whenever you need them. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.